Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices, one topic or one feature at a time. In today's video, I have to do a follow-up to what was just published. So I uploaded a video just a couple hours ago talking about where the new settings have changed when it comes down to your Galaxy Buds, especially on Samsung One UI 8. Originally, I went up to the very top and I showed you that it's right here inside of the settings, so it is not a part of your Galaxy wearable application. I showed you some of these quick settings that came to these Galaxy Buds, and for some reason my mind completely wandered off showing the other portion, which is the full entire running application of all the features, all the settings, all of everything you can change, and I am sorry that I missed that. I want to give a big thank you for this person right here who has reminded me that it's also inside of your regular settings of the phone. So that is what I'm going to show right now so I can make this video 100% right and correct. If you want to go back into the normal menu that used to be a part of Galaxy Wearable, just go directly over into your settings. That is it. It is right here. You don't have to open up another application. You don't need the Galaxy Wearable application. All you have is you have your normal menu settings all right here. So originally, yes, I showed you it's right up over here. This is one of those things that you can go into to change a few of the settings. Again, it's kind of like those quick settings that you can kind of get into when it comes down to some of your settings and features. But if you want the full menu and all of the features you're able to change, such as if you want to change the button presses, then you can go right up over here into your settings and it's right there underneath your Samsung account. Apologize, I did not show this from before. Somehow it just slipped my mind, but here is the full entire menu, especially if you want to make some of these changes. So right here is where you can change the setting for if you would like the ambient sound to turn on when you are inside of a phone call. So this one is very important to have. Here's your call quality and effects, which was what I was showing you from before. And then here is your earbud controls. Here is your voice controls. You can manage your connections. Here is your advanced settings right here. You also have your accessibility, Find My Buds, the diagnosis. Here's how you're able to update the software of the buds. So this is essentially the exact same menus, the exact same settings, the exact same setup of Galaxy wearable application, but you don't need that app anymore for it. It's just through your normal direct settings right there underneath your Samsung account. But hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. This one definitely needed to have a response video. So this is part 2 of your settings has changed when it comes down over into your Galaxy Buds. No need for another application. It is direct through your settings, which I think makes it super easy. But hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul.